Welcome to the English Quizzes channel. Before starting, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting English quizzes. Let's get started. In California, you must have a driver's license to drive a car. While you are driving, you don't have to listen to the radio. It's not necessary. If you plan to take a long trip in the car, you should get a full tank of gas, or you might run out of gas. When you are putting gasoline in your gas tank, you must not smoke. It is forbidden. It's not a good idea to talk on a cell phone and drive at the same time. Drivers shouldn't do that. In some states, it is illegal to talk on a cell phone in your car. Those drivers must not use phones in their cars. Before this year, I could not move out of my parents' house because I did not have a job. But now that I have finished college and have a job, I realize that living at home could drive my parents and me crazy. Unfortunately, it's not so easy to find an apartment in the city. Without an agent, you might not be able to find all the available listings. Before now, I couldn't sign a lease, but now I can because I am 21. I asked my friends to help me move because I knew that I couldn't fit all my possessions into my little car. My best friend said, "I will be able to help you move next week." He added, "I would rather help earlier in the morning than later in the afternoon." My father also offered to help me move. He must be really eager to have me move out. Another friend told me that he would help me move, but he never showed up. With the help of 3 friends, I was able to get all my possessions into the new condo. By this time next year, I will have learned a lot about living independently. It will take about a year until I am able to completely furnish my apartment. I could have slept on the wood floor, but it was too hard, so I bought a sofa bed. I made a few purchases. The first thing that I had to have was furniture.